Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, Soleil's Life. Today we'll be making a color block skirt. The skirt consists of 3 colors, which is black, white, and pink. This is the waist, that's the hem. This is 1/2 of the skirt all the way down, like a quarter of the skirt all the way down. This is the bottom half, and this is the pink. What I did, I marked off 1 inch seam allowance on every piece so you could have an idea of how it was cut out. So there it is. And also it's gonna have dots on the skirt waist, so I left inches off for the dots. So there you go, that's the front. We also have the back part of the skirt. As you can see, it takes up half of the skirt. So it gives you an idea of what the skirt is gonna look like when it's done. This is the half with dots in the back also. That's the hem, and this is the waist. So we're gonna begin joining the skirt pieces together. First I have the bottom and top piece. I pin them down. So you're just gonna stitch whatever your seam allowance, and also you can serge the selvage edge of the material. After you're done joining these 2 pieces together, this is the side piece of the skirt. So you're gonna go ahead, open the seam allowance, make sure it's laying flat, and you're gonna join from the waist to the hem. You're gonna go ahead, pin it down, and you're gonna stitch all the way down here. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna join the skirt, join the sides, serged, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. And this is what the skirt looks like. You have the strip of black, the white strip, and the pink strip. I placed 1 dot here. The other side don't need a dart because of the addition to the black. So you just stitch it to the same curve of the hip. This is the waist. This is the skirt. So now we're gonna go ahead and work on the back portion of the skirt. Now I've placed the front part of the skirt facing right side up. The back part of the skirt, I placed it on top, right side facing down. I've marked off where I'm going to put the darts. So I'm going to place a dart right here, after which I'm going to line the back of the skirt with the front of the skirt. I'm going to stitch all the way down. Also, I'm going to do the same on this side. Line the back with the front. depending on the opening that you choose. If you're going to put buttons, if you're going to put a zipper, fasteners, you leave allotted space that you would need. If it's the zipper, you measure the zipper length, wherever it stops, that's where you stitch up to. So I'm going to stitch and leave the spacing for the closure. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'll be back to show you what it looks like. I'm finished sewing the skirt, joined them front and back together. I stitched a white thread, a flat stitch, so you could see this is the opening for the skirt. Either buttons or zipper will be placed here. You measure the length of your zipper. Wherever it stops, that's where you're gonna stop your flat stitch. Also, now we're gonna be working on putting the waistband on. Two options. You either put the waistband on, both of them, lay them down, flat stitch, serge, you can flip it over, and then flat stitch down. That's one option. The second option would be you open the waist, open the waistband, you pin the waistband along the waist, and you flat stitch all the way over. When you're done flat stitching, you take the other waistband, the other end of the waistband, fold it in, and you flat stitch down this way. So that's going to be your second option. Whichever option you're comfortable with, that's the one to use. So I'm going to go ahead now, join the waistband to the skirt. I'm going to hem the skirt and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Okay, here we have the waistband sewn on, and I enclose the sides, hem, front and back, and there you have the finished skirt.